Apple updated the MacBook Air lineup, which includes three new changes: an updated chip, a new color, and updated front camera. The MacBook Air models now include the latest M4 chip, which was introduced last year on the iMac and Mac Mini. This chip features 10-core CPU and 8 or 10-core GPU, depending on the configuration. Apple claims the chip is 1.6 times faster than in Excel, 2 times faster in iMovie, and 2 times faster in Adobe Photoshop compared to the M1 models. The new chip enables other features including improved external display support. The M4 MacBook Air supports up to two 6K external displays at 60Hz compared to just one compared to the previous model. The new MacBook Air model comes in a new color known as sky blue. This new shade is a metallic light blue that creates a dynamic gradient when reflects light off its surface. This joins other colors that are midnight, starlight, and silver color options. The new MacBook Air gets an updated 12 megapixel center stage camera, which is found in MacBook Pro models. This camera can output higher resolution while maintaining a 1080p video capture of the previous model. This ultra-wide focal length enables a center stage feature which allows you to move around the room while keeping the subject center, as well as desk view feature which can capture both yourself and a perspective corrector version of your desk below. Among these changes, the model is identical to the previous year's model, featuring the same basic length and dimensions, display, keyboards and trackpad, memory and storage, speakers and microphone array. The new model has a slightly larger 53.9 kilowatt hour battery. It comes in both the sizes, that is the 13-inch and 15-inch, with prices now starting at a lower $100, which is $1,000 for the 13-inch model and $1,200 for the 15-inch model.